everyone, and welcome to another Excel Chat walkthrough video. I'm your host, Kevin Kelly, and today we're going to be talking about SUMPRODUCT. So again, another short, quick, simple video, this time about SUMPRODUCT, super easy to use. So in this scenario, we have a list of beverages, and then the quantity of each beverage, and then the unit price for each. So we want to multiply the quantity by the unit price, add it together, and see what our total sum is, see how many we sold, and see basically how much our sales are, so total sales. So equal SUMPRODUCT. Now it's asking for the first array. That's this first column here. You don't want to you don't want to highlight the whole table, but you want to do the first array and then the second, so it knows what to multiply by, and then add all together. So now I'm going to put close parentheses, hit enter, and the sale is $836.35. If you're following along the Excel chat article, just notice that it goes all the way down to 20. You don't see here because it's a screenshot, but that's why the total sale is like $1,700 and not $836. But this is the right answer for this smaller table. So again, just real quick, SUMPRODUCT, you use each array, the first and the second. In this case, it was these two columns, quantity and unit price. It'll multiply together and add it all together, so you don't have to do that.
Still have questions? Click to get help from a live Excel expert at Excel Chat.